Yan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang inyong honey text. And our topic for today is what is your problem? Oh, may problema ka? Ako ba ang problema mo? No. No boyfriend is no problem. No girlfriend is no problem. No money is a big problem. Relationship is your choice. So, ako na piliin mo. No? And money, if you have no money, that's really a big problem because money is very essential. Money can use to buy food, to make us beautiful and healthy, to make our life happy. So, what we need to do is to work hard, be smart, be wiser, and focus on your life. No? Huwag ka masyado makikinig sa chismis na nakapapangit. Makinig ka lang sa chismis na nakakaganda.